In today's video, I will be sharing with you my vlogging and live streaming routine as I get ready for being in front of the camera in the day and getting myself all dolled up for it. You'll not only be seeing me prepare myself, but also getting a glimpse of how my live stream sessions actually look like. I'm currently streaming on Kumu, which is a Pinoy community platform where you can just hang out and watch live streams that the community has to offer and meet and chat with fellow Filipinos globally. So if you're a Filipino and looking for a place to connect with your fellow Pinoys, download the app now and join in the fun. We have a lot of work to do, so let's get started. First thing in the morning when I wake up, I like to make myself tea to start my day. A new addition to my routine that I realize has been helpful both physically and mentally is to exercise and preferably doing yoga stretches. Close to my scheduled live stream or my filming session, I start my skincare routine. I make sure that my skin looks bright and refreshed for filming. My skincare routine, I apply my makeup. I make sure that I apply a sufficient amount so that it is visible but also not too over the top. Now, depending on what I need to do, if I'll be filming, for example, then I would be setting up the lamps and ring light to face the sofa. If I had a live stream scheduled, then I would be setting up my desk accordingly. Since I give live tutorials, I set up my phone on a tripod to show my screen so that my viewers can follow what I'm doing in real time and they can ask me any questions about the topic.
Pero dun sa pinaka-skincare video na kailangan ko, yung buong video.
Here's a little sneak peek on what I do during my sessions. It may not be in English, but I hope you'll understand the concept.
Home office and yung home office update. Kasi nag-post na ako ng phase 1 ng home office update ko. So, ngayon, papakita ko na kung ano yung na-upgrade. Upgrade dito sa home. How do you like to prepare yourself on days where you know you have an event or an activity where you know you have to look your best? Do let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did. To see more videos like this in the future, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for future videos. As always, I'll see you next time, and zäme and paalam.